guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel, girl. Happy New Year. Toast. So back at it again, girl. We are working with these palettes. Girl, let me flip this one around. Thumbnail. Please let me know, have y'all tried both of these palettes? Because today we are getting down to the nitty gritty. Trying to find out the blendation, the formula, see how these shimmer shims. We did get to the NYX products, okay? We really do on this channel. If you want to get the real tea on these palettes, I done did a video like this before, so if you haven't checked it out, at the end of this, I'll make sure I link it. Stay tuned. Ultimate 16 shadow palette, I will be putting that on this eye, and with the edit palette we're going to be putting it on this eye. Now I hope I'm not too close up to you guys so you can actually see. The palettes was not cheap. Alright, so let's go on with this maroon shade. Pat this a little bit on the brush. Ooh, that's very pigmented, look very purpley. So I did say we was going to use this palette over here, so let's go ahead and use it. That is a pigmented ass shade. I mean, at first it may just look a little patchy because I am not blending. I wasn't gonna do that. I'm just gonna pat it on, but it really is. It's looking a whole lot better. I can't say it's blended out very well. Now, if I was to wipe off my brush and just blend with what I have left on my brush, like the little residue, it'll probably be really pretty. Let's go into the edit palette. We're gonna pat in it just like we did in the other one. Ooh, wait a minute, girl. Wow, do y'all see that? What in the hell, NYX? I don't even have to say much on this. First of all, this shade is a hell of a lot pigmented than that other shade. I'm just gonna be honest, that other shade is very nice. It came off patchy. As you can see, it still look a little patchy. But girl, would you look at the pigmentation? Now, I'm not even gonna sit here and flex, and we can see the difference. I don't know, the formula feels the same, but I gotta say, this is a lot smoother than out of the 16 shadow palette. Look at the brush. The brush tells it all. I'm being dead ass serious. I should have did like that before I place this on my eye because it's gonna take a lot of blending this out, and this is a purple. And looking at the kickback, it's a little kickback there, but not much. It's a kickback, but not much as well. So they're both kind of giving me that pressed pigment powder vibe, but this is a lot more smoother and softer than this. So maybe that's what they said on the back, is that they're pressed pigment, the ones that had a star on them. Let's go in with these more paler shades right here to blend out that maroon purple shade, okay? Because I want it to be somewhat like the same, because that's all true tea about these videos. I don't know how it's gonna look. Hopefully it'll look like something. So let's go ahead. All right, we're here now, so let's just go ahead and do it. Okay, so that did pretty well. I mean, ain't what I was really looking for. And to be honest, am I seeing some shimmer? Am I seeing some damn shimmer? Ooh, yep, right up in there. You see it? Ooh, there it go. You see it? Like I said, it don't get much kickback in the pan. That shade actually didn't get any except on the side. That's because I was just, you know, like carelessly just put my brush everywhere in it. Alright, so that shade we said was right here, right? So we're gonna just dig into that like we did on that other palette. Some on the brush. Very nice and pale. Got a little pink hue to it. Cute. And we are going to do the same. Ooh. There's a difference in formula for real when it comes to these two shades. It's very powdery. Gives me pressed pigment vibes to where it's not very easy to blend out. Pressed, like hard, and you can tell the difference in texture in the shadow. It's not taking it. You get what I'm saying? This is not taking it like this right here. You see how, boom, you see how that is blended? Yeah, people say like if you left-handed, you trying to blend out on the right eye or vice versa, it's not gonna look the same. I beg to differ, honey, because blending is blending, period. Shadows, if they blend well, they're gonna blend. I don't care if you're right-handed, left-handed, right-eyed, left-eyed. It's very hard to blend. It's like you just gotta do it a little bit more. It wastes more time trying to blend the shadows in because they're so pressed. What would look good with this? What that green do? I really want to try the green. I don't even want to go safe with it today. I don't want to go safe. Didn't we say both of those was the green? I ain't even gonna rip my brush. I'm just gonna dip it. And this is very smooth. I don't know. I don't like anything came on the brush. Oh. Okay. So, see, I don't know. Let's see. I'm just patting, swiping. It's okay. Try this one out first before we start fixing stuff. I'm gonna do the same thing. We'll pat it in there. And swipe, pat and swipe. Ooh. Like we got a little bit more on that brush. I'm doing the same damn thing now, Anna. Ain't I doing the same thing? I'm just placing the brush down on the palette so I can show you the same thing that I'm doing. You know, ooh. Girl. That's true tea. This is that shadow with that brush. As you see, it don't look bad in the palette though. Not much kickback. Over here. Y'all see this shit? Really, NYX? That's how you doing it? I don't know. Y'all tell me in the comment. Do y'all think that's the same shade though? But girl, look how it's spreading everywhere though. Oh my God. Didn't mean for it to do all that. It look very messy. I'm gonna show you once again. Are they not the same? Edit palette may be a little darker than the little 16 shadow palette. I mean, I'm really going in. Okay, it is a little darker than that one. And you got to dig in to actually get some stuff. And you can see the difference. A lot softer in that 16 shadow palette. If you don't like pressed pigments, I would say go with the Edit palette because these shades are so soft. They're satiny, pigmentation is there. You're gonna get it. It went on a whole lot smoother than this right here. Tapping in that, and you could actually see inside of the pan. Let me try to turn it so you guys see. See how that bulkiness right there? That's the actual shadow, how powdery that shadow is. You can look in the pan and see it's a lot different. It's a lot softer, the 16 shadow palette. And once again, the shadows is going everywhere. Girl, and the fallout is real. Barely even swiping inside of that palette, and is not as nearly as powdery as the other one. I'll go to Walmart or Target or wherever they sell these palettes and try it out for yourself. I'm just gonna be honest. For the buck, this is nice. A little bit of everything. Like if you like purples, if you like gold, if you like green, if you like pale shades, do like a matte color. Because sometimes I can just use this color right here and this color right here and make a nice little look with a wing. Do you need 16 shadows? You got D6. I'm gonna see exactly how these things blend. If they are going to go everywhere or they're gonna stay in place. Can I blend matte shades with the glitter? Can I blend matte shades on top? Let's try it out. Let's just see what we really working with. Just tap, boom. That's it. Just boom. I'm gonna place it right on the corner so we can ombre it out. That is really pretty. I'm gonna take a clean blending brush. All right, now as I'm blending, I can see a little bit of patchiness up in there. Because it may not just be patchiness. Like I said, it may just be that shimmer shadow. Okay, take the other brush. Bam. Okay, bop. Together, we'll do the same thing. Okay, it dispersed the same way. But if you got the time to blend it, okay, sparkly shade is going a little bit out left field. If you don't mind the glittery shades going everywhere, I mean, if you're looking for that kind of look, I mean, I guess it wouldn't matter. If you could blend a matte shadow on top of a shimmer shadow without losing its pigmentation, I think you would actually like these palettes. But like I said in the beginning, this right here, I gotta say, those mattes are a lot blendable than this side. The Edit palette shimmers are a lot softer. than the 16 shadow palette. If you're looking for a lot more pigmentation, you're going to get pressed pigments, and the pigmentation is going to be good. The price, you get something for your buck. But if you're looking for those looks, this will kill it. I'm going to come back, girl, and I'm going to see how they perform with a wing. Okay? I'll be right back. So y'all know I'm talking about my eyebrows. I really got to shape them things up, and things look very outspoken today. Oh, and there's a train. So what I'm going to do is use some black liner. This is from CoverGirl. This is their Get In Line liquid liner in number 320. Let's see how it glides over these shimmers, honey. Okay, so they're gliding over very nicely, and I made it a little too thick up there. I didn't mean to make it that thick, but the shimmer is actually shining through that liner. I don't know if you guys can see that, but down there at the bottom, it's not as dark as I would like it. Though the shimmer is going to spread with it. Yeah, why not in that inner corner? Hell, it's already getting wet anyway. Alright, so the other eye. This is a whole lot better over here. I'm not getting any coming through that liner. I don't know, man. This is tough. This is really tough. I mean, obviously I did this a lot thicker, but for demonstration purposes, I mean, it called for it, for real, because I really want to test and see if that glitter was going to shine out through another layer. But this is black as ever. I see a little bit up top, right up in here. You see a little bit right there? I'm going to apply some mascara and do a lip. And we're going to wrap this up, girl, because, yeah, I got everything I want to see. I just placed some of the NYX Butter Gloss on my lips. It's in the shade Praline. Very aesthetic with the look, you know, very nudish, very cool looking. What do we think about the eyeshadows? Oh, the mascara is running. Oh, damn. I am all about money, okay? $8 on it, don't quote me. Walmart, I will put the price down below. This is all well worth it. I can use these colors every day. I'm more of a gold fan anyway, and I love pinks and I love purples. But girl, this shimmer is shimming. I gotta say, now if you're gonna get some shimmers that's gonna shim. That's something I want to gravitate to, unless I'm using more of these darker shades to go with it. You get what I'm saying? It's more up my alley. Shit, I'm getting 3 mattes and I'm getting 3 shimmers. So if you're not already following by now, please hit the subscribe button before you go. The notification bell right beside it, and leave your comments down below, y'all. I mean, if you got anything you want me to do, you want me to try something else out, girl, just holler at me down below. Oh, and I'm on Instagram. I'll make sure I leave everything down below. I'm on TikTok now. I haven't did anything, but I'm going to do something by the time this video comes out, I guess. And if you got something out of this video that you want to share to anyone else, please share it down below. Thank you guys for watching. See you on my next one.